We will use Venn diagrams to solve this problem where we have 30 students and they're given an option of choosing biology, chemistry, or neither as their subject. Now, it must be pointed out here that a student might choose biology and chemistry, and as soon as I use the word "and" in biology and chemistry, you'll know that what we're looking for is the intersection of these two sets. Now, we do know in our data that we have a universal set containing 30 students. So I could write here universal is 30 students altogether. These students will belong to set B, C, and the intersection and anywhere in the rectangle. That is anywhere in the universal set, as the universal set represents all the students. Within the rectangle and outside the circular B, set, and C, we are going to put in the students who did not choose to do either biology or chemistry. And 4 of them chose not to do either. We also know that 17 chose chemistry and that 20 chose biology. But some of these students would have chosen both chemistry and biology, and we don't know how many students chose both chemistry and biology. So we have 3 regions. One here is the biology region, which is yellow, which is students that chose biology only. And the other region that we will have is the one in blue, which determines the number of students that chose chemistry only. So we're going to have to use here algebra to help us out. We will choose a value x, where x is the number of students that chose both chemistry and biology. And I'm always very careful to add that word "and," chemistry and biology. So now I can say that the number of students who just chose biology is equal to 20 minus x. And I can put it on my set, 20 minus x. So now the number of students who just chose chemistry will be 17 minus x. 17 minus x. Okay, so now I can form an equation because I know that in my universal set, altogether, I have 30 students. And inside the universal set, I have 4 students who have opted out from choosing any subject. And then also I have 20 minus x students who have chosen to do biology. And I'll have x number of students who we said did both. And we also have those doing chemistry only, and that would be 17 minus x. This all should equal to 30 students. We should rewrite them all without the brackets. So let's go 4 plus 20 minus x plus x plus 17 minus x, and that's equal to 30. Now we'll know that minus x and x can cancel out, and 4 plus 20 plus 17 will equal 41 minus x, which equals to 30, and therefore 41 minus 30 is equal to x, and this leaves us with 11 students choosing both biology and chemistry. And therefore we can say that 20 take away 11 students, which means 9 students only chose biology. And then if we take away 17, take away 11, we will get that 6 students only chose chemistry. and 11 students chose both biology and chemistry. So you've seen how we can substitute x for an unknown and use it to work out all the other values that you need.